Welcome back to your journey from fear to fluency. This is episode 6 of our 30-day English confidence challenge. Today Ravi will lose control and that is exactly what he needs. Day 6, no mirror, no practice lines, no I will say this. Today English will surprise him and fear hates surprise. Lunch break, Ravi was relaxed for once. Then suddenly, hey Ravi, what did you think about today's lecture? The question hit him like a shock. No warning, no preparation, no mental translation, just silence. His brain went blank. His throat tightened. His heartbeat grew louder than the classroom noise. A dangerous thought appeared. Say something safe. Say you did not understand. Smile and escape. For a second, he almost chose silence. He took a breath, not a confidence breath, a shaking one, and said, I think it was interesting. Some parts were difficult, but I understood the main idea. The sentence was simple, but it broke the fear. The classmate replied, yeah, I agree. That's it. No laughter, no embarrassment, no disaster. Just normal. And that scared Ravi more than anything. Because it meant the monster in his mind was never real. Listen carefully. Overthinking is not intelligence, it is fear in disguise. Fluency is not perfect grammar, it is fast courage. When you stop planning every word, you start living in the language. Today's challenge, do not prepare, do not rehearse, do not write sentences first, start one unexpected conversation. Ask something simple. How was your day? What do you think about this? Answer naturally. Even if your sentence is messy English builds strong confidence. Perfect silence builds nothing. Tomorrow, he will speak without knowing that comes next. Are you ready for day 7 or will fear plan your silence again? Tell me in the comment box.